Today we are looking at the Xiaomi Pad 5 128GB in Cosmic Grey. I have teamed up with Mobile in Africa to show you some innovative and exciting products perfect for those on the go. Mobile in Africa Group is passionate about empowering South Africans by making innovative, cutting-edge technology accessible to all. MIA was established in 2015 as a proudly South African distributor of Xiaomi's world-class affordable smartphones and smart home products. The Xiaomi Pad 5 is an all-in-one tablet that's adaptive and functions as both a workstation and an entertainment device depending on the needs. Let's see what is in the box. Cutting the plastic and removing the lid, you find the Xiaomi Pad 5 with some key information. Under the tablet you will find a cardboard insert and a piece of plastic, which once removed exposes a cardboard box. In the cardboard insert you will find the warranty card and the quick start guide. In the cardboard box you will find the 22.5 watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. The Xiaomi Pad 5 is stylish and easily portable. A stylus can be bought which uses magnets to charge via the side of the tablet. Let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi Pad 5 as well as what you need to know. There is an 11-inch WQHD+ 120Hz display with Dolby Vision and low blue light technology, as well as True Display to adapt the display to an environment to protect your eyes. Performance is delivered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 octa-core CPU, which processes up to 2.96 GHz. There is 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. There is an 8720 mAh battery with 22.5 watts fast charging. There is a 30 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. Audio is delivered by the quad speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio for the best audio experience. Let's do a quick visual and audio test.
I remember the day when it all started, seeing this really strange thing. A lot of people say an octopus is like an alien. But the strange thing is, as you get closer to them, you realize that you're very similar in a lot of ways. It's a hard thing to explain, but sometimes you just get a feeling and you know there's something to this. Trust your family?
Yes, a lot. They're my family.
What hurts you the most?
Wow, I could definitely spend loads of hours watching and listening to content on the Xiaomi Pad 5. Priced at 7,999 Rand. You can buy the Xiaomi Pad 5 from the Mobile in Africa online store at mia.africa.com. Links to full reviews as well as products mentioned in this video can be found in the description.